Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache and cookies in your Safari browser. Let's get started. First, open the Safari browser on your Mac. Once Safari is open, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the Safari option in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy tab. Click on Privacy, and you'll see a section called Manage Website Data. Click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites that have stored cookies and cached data in your Safari browser. If you want to remove the cache and cookies for a specific website, simply select that website from the list and click Remove. However, if you want to clear the cache and cookies for all websites, click Remove All. After clicking Remove All, a confirmation message will pop up. Click Remove Now to proceed. Safari will clear all cache and cookies from every website. Once it's done, click Done to exit the window. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache and cookies in Safari. This can help improve browser performance and free up storage space on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.